My name is Chris, and I'm here to showcase the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. Brand new phone on the market, it's got a lot of great AI features, and I'm really excited to get into this, so let's take a look at it together. The Galaxy Z Fold6 comes in with 7.6 inches of screen and doubles down in width the moment you open it up. I'm loving the sleek design of this, and I have my hands on the silver model, but we do have a couple other color options to choose from, so you can pick your preference. The Galaxy Z Fold6 actually comes with 5 cameras on the unit. You've got 3 on the back, 1 on the cover, and 1 on the interior. So you're always gonna look your best. Packed with a super long battery life and a really large display for your screen, if you're a mobile gamer, then you could really utilize that to take an advantage and really get an upper hand on almost any game. While you still get all the normal features of a smartphone while using this device, you can always take advantage of the multitasking feature when you open it up and have a tab open for your videos or streams and still be able to text somebody back and not have to worry about losing where you were at. Built into the Galaxy Z Fold6 is the circle to search with Google. For example, if we look over at this plant right behind me, I can circle this with the search with Google and I can get all the information like where it's from, the name, and how to take care of it right at my hand. Another really cool feature is the interpreter with Galaxy AI. This is a really neat feature that allows you to take advantage of the interpreter to have seamless translation during conversations, which really works well in a retail environment. Here's a demonstration.
Hello, how can I help you today?
¿Hablas español?
No, one second. How can I help you today?
¿Cómo puedo ayudarte hoy?
Estoy buscando una estufa.
I'm looking for a stove.
Yeah, I can show you. It's right over here.
Within the Galaxy ecosystem, there's other accessories such as the Galaxy Watch or the Galaxy Ring, which you can actually pair with this device to get a literal big picture on the insights of your overall health and monitor things such as your fitness metrics and even your sleep quality. Well, this has been the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. If you have any questions regarding the product, feel free to take a look at the description down below, or you can come chat with a virtual consultant such as myself. Gracias por ver nuestro video y que pases un gran resto de tu día.